Hello everyone who is watching this video. This video is on some tricks to learn elements of groups in periodic table in the respective order. So here are some important groups of the periodic table which are important in the sense when you're preparing for any kind of competition, for board exams also they are helpful in some way, because there are many trends in the periodic table like that of atomic radii, electronegativity, ionization potential, and so on. And these elements, if you remember in this series, you can easily find the order, because questions are asked in this way, like find the order of the ionization enthalpy, electronegativity, and whatever they ask you. But you should, if you know the order in which they are present in their respective groups, you can easily find out what's going to be that order in increasing or decreasing of your respective, we can say, periodic property, whether it is ionization enthalpy. I mentioned electron affinity, or you can say electron gain enthalpy or atomic radii, and which depends on various factors like nuclear charge and variables. It depends upon the metallic bonding, how their hydrogen energy and lattice energies. So here are some tricks. So first of all, we're going to see the group 1a elements. So the elements are lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. So how we can learn a sentence, or we can say mnemonic, is ready for you. So first we say the mnemonic together. Leena ki ruby se friendship hai. So Li is something which is, you can relate to lithium. Na is your sodium, Na, the symbol. Ki is your K, potassium. Ruby is your Rb, rubidium. Say, you can say some way it is cesium connected to that. Friendship, first two letters are Fr, that is denoting francium. Then we have the group 2a elements, which are beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and radium. So what's the sentence? Beta mange kar santro baparazi. So beta B is for beryllium, mange Mg is for magnesium. You can see the letters, it is present in that word. So car is for Ca, first two letters for calcium. Santro, we can see the first and the fourth letter, that is strontium. Sorry, it's not the fourth, it's a fifth, I guess, the fifth letter. And Bap is, Ba, barium. R is going to be the radium. So now the group 3a elements, which are also called the weak metals. Group 1a elements are called the alkali metals. Group 2a elements are called as the alkaline earth metals. So group 3a elements are also known as weak metals, and these are boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, and thallium. So the trick or mnemonic for that is Baba Ali Gai India Tillene. So Baba is so much hilarious, so it's also so much hilarious, so it can be so helpful also to remember. So Baba, B is your boron, Ali, Al, aluminium, Gai is gallium, IN for India, you know it, indium, and TL is thallium. Now some group 4a elements, these are somewhat non-metals mostly, and the elements are carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, and lead. So what's the mnemonic for that? Chemistry sir gives sunky problems. Okay, so that's you should not tell this to your chemistry teacher, because it's like we can say hilarious comment to them also. So don't share with your teacher. So any chemistry teacher, I'm sorry for that sentence. So just, it's just a trick, so don't take it otherwise. So carbon, C for chemistry, you know it. Sir is Si, silicon, gives, the spelling is Gi, but you can remember Ge. So germanium, sunky, you can say spelling is San, but you can remember Sn. So Sn is for tin. Problems, Pb is going to be for lead. So now the group 50 elements, these are almost non-metals, and you can see them in the far right corner, the third last group and fourth last group to be more precise. Yes, and then we have here Nepal, Pakistan, Australia. Sabbekar is your mnemonic for that. It's also a hilarious mnemonic, so much ridiculous, laughable. So elements are nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, and bismuth. So Nepal, N for nitrogen there, Pakistan, P, phosphorus, Australia, AS for arsenic, SB is for sub antimony, and Bikar, you can say Bikar or Bekar, you can relate them, Bi for bismuth. The last one is group 6A, and that is nothing but also selenium teleport. So like it is like oxygen is telling to selenium to teleport, and teleport, you know very well, to move from one place to another, to without actually being walking. We're not walking actually, but we are going from one place, one position to another position. You might have heard that word, if I'm not wrong, most of us. So O is, that is O, oxygen there, so no S sulfur, selenium